Welcome to Sustainable Sailing.
Welcome to our video today where we're really excited to be joining the launch of Team Seas. It's a global campaign designed to remove plastic pollution from the ocean.
The problem of pollution in the oceans is huge and it's only getting worse. But this campaign aims to raise money for two brilliant organisations trying to deal with all our rubbish. They're called Ocean Conservancy and Ocean Cleanup. And you can go to teamseas.org to donate money to this campaign. The goal is to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic.
Now, in real money, that we understand is about £1.50 per kilo of plastic to be removed from the ocean. Only £1.50 for a whole kilo of plastic. And this is a campaign that's been organised by the same people who organised Team Trees a few years ago, Mark Rober and Mr Beast, or Jimmy. And that campaign was to raise $20 million to plant 20 million trees, and I think they've got something like $23 million so far, and they're still planting 2,600 trees a day. So this is
if this proven. Can be as successful, then it'll be a good step in the right direction.
And removing plastic is really significant. It is a huge problem in places where it gathers, such as the Pacific garbage patch. It's also a problem on particular coastlines where the prevailing winds and currents dump everybody else's plastic. It's a problem for animal life, and it's one of the three main problems facing our oceans today, all of which threaten the survival of the planet, or certainly humans on the planet. So that's climate change, pollution, particularly plastic, and overfishing. Any one of these ignored means the whole future is really under threat. So this is really good to be able to work to tackle those problems.
Ocean Conservancy have been organising large-scale beach cleanups and collecting up ghost fishing nets. These fishing nets have been abandoned or lost, and they're very dangerous for both wildlife and sailors as they get tangled up in animals and they can't swim or move, and they could get wrapped around your propeller. This work is so valuable for cleaning up our oceans and beaches, and half the money from this campaign will go to fund it.
The Ocean Cleanup are doing fantastic work with this thing they call the Interceptor, and the idea is they put one of these robot machines in each of the 1,000 most polluting rivers around the world, and they just 24/7 collect up rubbish from the river to stop it going into the ocean. As a way of stopping the problem getting bigger and bigger, it is a fantastic creative solution, and they've been deploying them and are ready now to scale up around the world. So they get half the money raised that goes to teamseas.org.
Started sustainable sailing when we were thinking about our retirement. We've been concerned about climate change for many years, and we want our retirement to be sustainable and not contribute further to damage of the climate and our planet. And we want to be able to live in a way which has a light footprint on the earth and is positive for progress to repairing and renewing the earth. We're moving away from using plastic by using metal water bottles to carry all our water onto the boat. We got them from One Green Bottle, the link's below.
A lot of what we're doing as sustainable sailing at the moment is refitting our boat so that it can support this light footprint, this low damage to the environment, and indeed improve it wherever we go. So we've got lots more videos coming about the changes that we've already made and that we're making. They include, we're not having any seacocks, so we're not dumping any waste directly into the sea. Our toilets are composting so that they don't dump sewage into the sea. Complete electric installation with an electric motor, so no diesel or petrol to put into the sea. All these things are part of what we're interested in as sustainable sailing, and it fits beautifully with this Team Seas campaign to get rid of the plastic that's already in the sea and to stop more getting there. While I'm editing this video, I can hear in the background the noise of our multi-cutter as Jane is destroying our saloon. Make sure you subscribe so you can catch up with the refit and what she's doing at the moment.
Another organisation that has inspired us is Precious Plastics. They're a global collective which inspires people around the world to collect, recycle and create new things from plastic. They offer advice and help on every step of the process. They've got freely available designs for lots of machines to create things. Dave will explain what we're planning to do.
Apparently I've got to explain things. So we bought a shredder, and the intention is that that will one day end up being powered by the boat's electric motor. So when we're in a harbour, we'll be able to get the shredder out and put our plastic and other people's plastic through it so that it takes up much less space as little tiny shredded bits of plastic, sorted by type of plastic and colour. And then beyond that, we have got an injection moulding machine. So we're going to be able to tile the galley of our boat with tiles that we will create from recycled plastic. And we want to make useful things that other people who are cruising will be able to buy and bring their own plastic so that it doesn't get thrown away but gets recycled into useful things. So that's part of what we want to do as living with a low footprint. Here's a picture of the shredder that we've had built for us to the Precious Plastic design. It's made from stainless steel by a local company in the UK, link below. And you can also see a picture of our logo, which is one of the layers that we can use when we're injection moulding. And the injection moulding machine was bought from another company in the UK, link below.
A good friend of ours, Jules Richards, has designed us a set of logos which we've used to create t-shirts and hoodies sourced from T-Mill. T-Mill are an amazing sustainable brand of clothing. They have a circular economy, which means that they take in old t-shirts and hoodies and recover the material to remake things. All their cotton is organic certified. All their packaging is plastic free. Their factories are powered by renewable energy and they print everything to order so there's no waste. We think that's a fantastic way to go when making clothing. All our t-shirts and hoodies are available to buy from our shop with the link below.
So go to teamseas.org and donate. It's a brilliant cause to support. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up.